Hey everyone, the CORSAIR ONE i600 is the latest and most compact entry in Corsair's premium desktop PC lineup, designed to deliver cutting-edge performance in an impressively small and stylish form factor. Building upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, the i500, the i600 refines nearly every aspect of the system, from raw computing power to cooling efficiency, making it a standout option for gamers, AI developers, and creative professionals who need a high-performance system without the bulk of a traditional tower. At the heart of the i600 is the powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, paired with the formidable NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, complete with 16 GB of dedicated VRAM. This combination ensures that even the most demanding 4K gaming sessions, video editing workflows, and AI model training tasks run smoothly and efficiently. It's supported by a generous 64 GB of DDR5 memory and an ultra-fast 4 TB NVMe SSD, which together contribute to lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking. The CORSAIR ONE i600 doesn't just pack performance, it also features a completely re-engineered thermal solution that addresses the challenges of keeping high-end components cool in a small chassis. Each major component benefits from its own 240mm liquid cooling loop, and the addition of upgraded 120mm fans and a refined tri-spoke vent design promotes better airflow and reduces internal turbulence. This results in quieter operation and better sustained performance under heavy loads, whether you're gaming, rendering, or training AI models. One of the standout features of the i600 is the CORSAIR dashboard software, which gives users full control over their system's cooling and performance profiles. With 3 available modes, advanced, balanced, and quiet, users can tailor thermal behavior to suit different usage scenarios. Advanced mode, in particular, allows for deep customization of fan curves and system thermals, offering enthusiasts the flexibility they crave. Aesthetically, the i600 stays true to Corsair's tradition of sleek, understated elegance. Available in 2 finishes, metal dark and wood dark, it combines modern industrial design with subtle flair. The wood dark model even includes an FSC-certified real wood accent panel, adding a touch of natural character to the high-tech build. Customizable front panel and underglow lighting elevate its visual appeal, while a touch-sensitive spotlight on the rear I/O panel simplifies cable management and peripheral connections in dim environments. Corsair has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability with the i600. The chassis is made from recyclable aluminum, and the packaging is produced from recycled materials, showing a commitment to environmentally conscious design without compromising on quality or durability. Available directly from Corsair for $4,999, the CORSAIR ONE i600 is a premium system, both in price and performance. For those in search of a compact yet immensely capable desktop that can handle modern workloads with ease while offering unique design choices and extensive customization, the i600 is an excellent choice and a clear evolution of the CORSAIR ONE series. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.